Swans. Swans are known for being particularly beautiful birds. They're the largest members of the duck and goose family, and they can be found on every continent except for Africa and Antarctica. Swans are very smart. They can even remember people who have been mean or nice to them. There are 6 different species of swan, most of which have white feathers. A swan has up to 25,000 feathers on its body. Swans love to live on lakes and rivers, so that's where they build their nests. They eat all kinds of greenery, insects, and tadpoles. Like humans, swans mate for life. This means they choose one other swan to have babies with